Hi there! You are watching Gizmo Journal. The Wondershare Filmora 15 is just launched with a bunch of new tools and resources. Among all the amazing new features, the AI Extend tool stands out. Let me explain how to use it. This is a very beautiful footage of a baby learning to walk, holding his mother's hands. We will now extend it and generate the next scene using the AI Extend tool, available in the toolbar here. Grab the end edge of the clip and drag it to extend. Now we need to write a prompt dictating what happens in the extended footage. It goes like this. The child starts walking on his own. His parent is happy seeing him walking. Let's now generate the footage and see how it goes. The generated video can be up to full HD resolution and the duration can be either 5 seconds or 8 seconds. There, the video is generated. If you notice the pace of the child walking, the camera movements, the look and feel, everything matches with the original video. So it's not like the tool is just creating an AI video with the last frame. It's considering all the parameters of the main clip as well. Due to shorter duration, maybe the clapping part of the parent is not generated. But we can extend the AI-generated video further, and this time I will try to be more specific about what I want. The prompt goes like this. The camera zooms out and shows the mother in the background feeling happy and clapping hands. The child is walking on his own and smiling. Let me now hit the generate button and wait. It's ready. Let's play. And it's exactly what I wanted. If you now play the whole footage, you can't tell which part is real and which is AI video. Everything is so seamless. The new AI Extend in the Filmora 15 is a game changer. Now let's try to extend it further and generate what happened before the actual clip. So the prompt goes like this. The child is sitting on the ground. His mother helps him stand up by holding both of his hands. Let's generate. See, while writing the prompt, make sure it ends with what's happening in the beginning of the original video to make it seamless. Voila, the video is ready. And it's perfect. AI Extend works like magic. Once again, the transitions are flawless. Everything in the generated video follows the theme of the reference footage without any fail. This is how the new AI Extend feature of Filmora 15 works. This tool also works on audio files, just like the AI audio stretch feature we have seen in the Filmora 14, but it's now even better. The music here is shorter than the video, so instead of repeating it, we will generate a longer version of it, so that the ending of the music remains the same. It works perfectly. You can do it at the either ends of the music file, just like video. Great! You can also shorten longer music to fit the video clip using this tool. AI Extend is my favorite new feature in the Filmora 15. What's yours? Thanks for watching. You were watching Gizmo Journal.